Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a graph in Google Sheet. First, select the data you want to turn into a graph. This includes both the tables and the values. For example, highlight the column A and B if they contain your data. Now go to the Insert menu at the top, then click on Chart. Google Sheet will automatically generate a default chart based on your data. If you want to change the chart type, look at the chart editor on the right side. Click on the Setup tab and then choose different type of chart like bar chart, line chart, or bar chart. To make your chart more readable, go to Customize. Here you can edit the title, adjust color, and add labels to make your chart look just the way you want. Once your chart is ready or your graph is ready, you can click and drag it to move it anywhere as you want. You can also resize it by clicking and dragging the edges. And that's how we create a graph in Google Sheet. So if this video found helpful to you, hit like and subscribe for more Google Sheet tips.